Okay, here we are. Here again, here's the bathroom, there's the hole in the floor, there's the toilet. By the way, this is the vent. You can see it coming out of the floor there, complete with the nail that from the trim that's in it that I have to fix. But I'm pretty sure that the main plumbing line, that vent, probably drops straight into that 3-inch. So it's over there. Now, if you follow from there, coming this way, you can see that's the 2.5 or whatever 3-inch pipe coming in at an angle. And my guess is there's a little small piece of line pipe there, and then it goes into a sewer T with that 45 sweep, I guess. And then that right there is line pipe. And then it picks up this 90, rolls it down, and now I'm square on with the box. Rolls it down and then picks up the 180. The 180 is not exactly parallel with the front of this. It actually is angled out a little bit. Then it rolls up, and then we're gifted because you can see the sewer pipe's is just barely under the slab and barely under any cover of dirt below the slab. But this T that was put in there running so that it could pick up that white PVC line drops all that down. So that actually gives us a little bit of maneuvering room. I don't know what you're going to do with it, but here's the tailpipe off of the overflow and drain going into the compression nut here, and there's not very much. I mean, there's a lot of threads here. This has barely got that. There's a lot of tar in the way. And all I can think of with the white PVC line, the angle that it's taken off leads directly to my HVAC closet, and I'm pretty sure that's the condensation drain. I thought for sure it followed the wall on the closet and went to the outside wall, and it might, but it also apparently comes here. So I don't know. I don't even know if that's code. But anyway, this is the video, and I'm going to take pictures and so that you can see all the rest of it. But actually, I think I'm just going to send you the video. But I don't know if you can get an appreciation for that. But that right there is about, well, it's about a foot of concrete between the wall and the edge of the box, of the cutout box. So yeah, you're smarter than I am. You're the master. That's why you get paid the big bucks.